Alright, just got back from getting coffee with the car. And the car is still misfiring, or I don't know. It's like it's stumbling sometimes. Still nice to drive though.